Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a topic to discuss in this video, that is none other than generic framework. Okay, you may have a question like what is framework, right? Frameworks are the one which builds the software. Okay, you may have different frameworks available in our market. Like for Python, we have got Django, and many languages have many frameworks. Like JavaScript has got. Kotlin, and many more frameworks will be available in the market to learn. So we're gonna learn how frameworks work in the project, in the software projects, and this video is brought to you by Charan. And you may have one more question like generic, right? Generic is the one which comes from the ancient times. Okay, we're gonna learn old best frameworks or the phases of the frameworks, or like a phase of a project or two. You can call this like this too. So it's all about our topic, and don't skip the video because it's going to contain valuable information. I'm going to discuss all the way through the frameworks, and I'm going to end up with the advanced stage working. Okay, first we will be taking a look at types of frameworks. Is, we can say it is a phase of a project too, because framework is the one which helps to build a project. So types of frameworks are also called phases of a project. First one is our communication. I'll be explaining all of this in the future slides. Okay, next slides. So we will be looking at each and every framework. Communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. I'll be explaining all the way. Don't worry, guys. As a first thing, communication. When a company gets a project, what is the first thing they will be looking at? They will be the staff in the company. What they will be doing? They will be arranging a meeting with the developers, testers, all everyone in the office, right? And first thing is that arrange a meeting. That's the thing you're gonna do in the communication. You're gonna arrange the meeting with your staff workers. And what do you do in the meeting, right? You will be assigning the roles, and many things will be going in the meeting. I don't want to discuss about those things. Okay, you will be assigning the which team has to take which part of the project, and what's their involvement in the project. Same things will be going on. And one more thing, requirements gathering. At the same meeting we'll be discussing what the platform we're gonna do this project. There will be many platforms over there, but they want to choose a best platform which suits the particular project which they have been assigned. That's the thing you're gonna do in the communication. And this is the end of the communication. And one more thing you're gonna do is communication is that setting the guidelines for the next phases. Okay, next phases we're gonna discuss set lines. I mean guidelines in those meetings. So we'll be taking over look at all the phases in the communication, I mean in the meeting. Next thing is a planning. Planning is nothing but like discussing the budget. That's the thing is important, right? Without budget you can't do anything. So we'll be discussing the what is estimated budget for the project, right? That's the thing you're gonna do with planning. And one more thing is you're gonna discuss like you're gonna put the deadline. Of course the client will be putting the deadline, and if you may have a request to extend it, they're gonna do it. Don't worry about that. And deadline for the project, and timelines, right? This part of the project should be completed before this date. Another part of the project should be completed by these days. That's a called as timelines of the project. That will be done in the planning section. So all the way through this is the taking a big overlook over a project. Okay, here you're going to discuss what the phases, all the things will be going on. And the next thing is modeling. Modeling is nothing but how to say that we'll be discussing what are the requirements to, and system design, what type of systems we're gonna use. Okay, yes, for different projects, different category of projects will be having different systems. Okay, that's the thing. And one more thing is that outputs, inputs. Okay, once a project has got what are the inputs to the project, what you have to go as an input, and at the same time after giving these outputs, what is the output you're gonna discuss, you're gonna get it, right? Inputs, outputs. You're gonna give some input, you're gonna get the output. Where those inputs are outputs are gonna decide the project or not. That's the thing you're gonna discuss in the modeling. Okay, what are the inputs at the same time reflecting outputs. Okay, and next thing is construction. Construction is also called as longest phase in a project because here the different things will be going on: coding, testing, many blah 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 will be going on. Testing will be coming, and in a software industry the work will be divided into modules. Like if you are employing the software industry, your boss will be or your manager will be asking you, have you completed that module, have you completed that unit. Okay, that's the thing will be going on. Don't think they are learning some lessons. No, they that is a small part of a project. They're gonna divide into modules or units. That's the thing. uh, Last one is deployment. Deployment is a last phase in this frameworks. It's nothing but delivering a project to the client. Okay, and one more thing in this same deployment, once you have delivered to the client, the project has been delivered to the client. After thing, this is the where big scenario is comes where. Okay, once the clients keep on using it, he will face some problems. Definitely, any big project, any successful project has some problems, but only thing that how fast you can rectify it, that's the thing you have to do. So once the problems have been encoded, the client will be complaining the same problems, and we will be rectifying it. This process is called maintenance. That's it, guys. That's it in the phases. Now I'll explain one small example as taking these phases into the same example. Okay, okay. Let us think we are developing your own project program. I mean, in a programming language, let us take Java. Okay, Java is the one which is most widely useful and will be known by everyone in the world. Okay, let's take a Java project on what yeah, supermarket billing system. Okay, supermarket billing system. Okay, this project has been given to my company, like a Charan company. Okay, once you have got this project, what are you gonna do first? Boss in those Charan company is gonna discuss the things with the staff. This is the project we have got, and manager in those teams, I mean a manager for those teams will be standing up and giving the roles to everyone, right? And the next one, this is a communication part. We'll be having meetings, all things will be going on. Next, planning. Okay, what is the budget for this project? We're gonna discuss, we're gonna have a printer, we're gonna have a system, we're gonna have many things. Okay, a Java editor, I mean Java compiler, many things for this budget will be they will be discussing budget for this program and timelines, right? And next one is our modeling. What are the outputs to the supermarket billing system? Like a bill has got inputs like item name, cost of that bill, I mean cost of that item. These are inputs will be giving on, right? As advanced version, QR code, barcode, blah 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 blah, right? And once this inputs has been given, you have to generate a bill, right? Bill, what does the bill contains? Items, names, and cost, and the cost of the whole bill including the all the taxes, GST, everything, right? This output we have to get. This is where we will be discussing in modeling. And when it comes to construction, that's the thing we will be doing: coding, write a code for those project, and try it for the testing. And after this one, we will be submitting the project to client in the deployment system. And so once clients uses it, and he may find some bugs. Okay, yes, you will be testing the project, you will find some bugs, but some bugs will be hiding in issues they don't encounter in testing. So once a client has got some disturbance due to this bugs, and a client will be reporting the company, my company, Charan company, then what you will be doing, our staff will be doing how to remove those bugs. That's the thing we're going to do in the maintenance. Hope you have understood with this example. I have taken an example for every stage in the frameworks. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon, and if you like this video, please like it. It is gonna make me more motivated. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Take care.